Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an exciting shopping drop on Instagram, enabling vibration for these notifications is a smart move. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up vibration alerts specifically for shopping drops, so you're always the first to know when new products launch. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your settings. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. Find and select Instagram from the list. Once you're on the Instagram app info page, look for the notifications option and tap on it. This section lets you customize exactly how you receive alerts from Instagram. Now tap on Notification Categories. This brings up a detailed list of all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you, from likes and comments to direct messages and, of course, shopping drops. Scroll through the categories until you find the shopping drops option. Tap on it to open the settings for this specific type of alert. Here's the crucial step. Look for the Vibrate toggle. Switch it on. This ensures that every time there's a new shopping drop, your phone will vibrate, grabbing your attention even if your device is on silent. And that's it. You've now set up vibration for shopping drops notifications on Instagram. With this setting enabled, you'll never miss out on limited releases or exclusive deals, even if your phone isn't making a sound. If you ever want to adjust your notification preferences further, you can always come back to these settings and fine-tune them to match your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.